Tired of accidentally charging your credit card while building your awesome app? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Stripe's Demo Payment Gateway, your sandbox for risk-free payment integration. First, head over to Stripe.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're in, make sure Test Mode is enabled. Look for the toggle switch in your dashboard, usually in the top left corner. Now, let's grab those crucial test API keys. Click on the Developers tab. Then select API keys. You'll see two keys, a publishable key and a secret key. These are your magic passes for simulating transactions. Remember, these are only for testing. Never use them in a live environment. Stripe provides a treasure trove of test credit card numbers. You can find these on Stripe's documentation. These numbers will simulate successful and failed transactions, letting you test all your error handling logic. Now, integrate these test keys and test card numbers into your application's checkout flow. When a user enters the test card details and clicks Pay Now, Stripe will process the transaction in the test environment, mimicking a real-world scenario without actually charging anyone. Finally, check your Stripe dashboard to see the results of your simulated transactions. You'll see both successful and failed payments, allowing you to thoroughly validate your integration and ensure a smooth payment experience for your users. Congratulations! You now know how to use the Stripe Demo Payment Gateway, making development smoother and stress-free.